Hello everyone, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karunya University, and this time I'm going to explain you about my 10th experiment of my networking lab. So here it was about using Wireshark and what it does. So Wireshark, you we can find out what all the packets, what type of packets are coming, what all the packets which are coming through what address, source and destination. So let me first find Wireshark. Wireshark, come on, Wireshark. So using this Wireshark, we can also find the codes of the packets which are coming. Like you might be knowing the packets come in this hexadecimal number or binary number, so you can find those numbers of the packets too. So I am connected with the Wi-Fi, so let me open the Wi-Fi connection, and if I open this, you will be able to see packets coming in to my PC. So let's go for a particular type of packet like TCP. So if I press TCP, it will show all the TCP packets coming to my computer, and this is their hexadecimal numbers, which is telling about the data and other stuff. Then this part tells you about the frame, what frame this packet belongs to. Oh, let me press a particular TCP. Let me select a particular TCP. So I have selected this TCP, right? So its frame number is 16. Now it will tell you various other informations like interface ID, encapsulation type, Ethernet 1 it is. So you can find various information about the packet over here, and this is Ethernet 2, which is telling about the source and the destination. This is the MAC address of the source and destination over here. So you can see this is the destination, this is the MAC address of the destination, this is source, MAC address of the source, and then it will tell you other informations about that packet. And this Ethernet protocol is telling about IPv4. That means it's of older version. Nowadays packets are coming in IPv6, which is using 128 bits for data. This is telling about fragments, and then other source and destination, and this is about transmission control protocol, which is TCP. So if you open TCP, you will be able to find various other informations like flag. This is acknowledgement. So a request might have been sent by another packet. In reply to that, it is sending this acknowledgement and other stuff. So this is how you can know what you are getting from which part. This was about TCP packets type, which is using protocol TCP. Now we can also see for DNS. So if I press DNS, it will show you packets of type DNS. Okay, so these are all packets of DNS. Now let me select one particular packet. Now again you will be able to find the frame, which will tell you about encapsulation and other parts like necessary informations, what the packet is getting and from where it's getting. Then Ethernet to IPv6 protocol. About this, you can get in this Ethernet 2, you can get the destination and source, and then IPv6 protocol. Then Datagram protocols is given over here. This is different from TCP, and as DNS means domain name server, it will give you more information about domain name. This is the res- uh, this is the query. What I have selected is the query. Now another response is given over here. If I press this one, it will send you to the part where it's giving the response. Okay, so this is how the Wireshark is working. We can all our Wi-Fi is actually protected with WAP8, so I have some problem getting query about this HTTP, but in see I have got two HTTP. There are many HTTP packets coming in my computer, but because of some security issues, the router won't allow us to get the information about this HTTP, much of the packets, but few packets we can get. So I've selected this HTTP. So for HTTP also you can find this frame, and then its source and destination, then protocols and hypertext. This is HTTP, so hypertext transfer protocol. So here is the commands, like it was a request from the PC. Now in response to this request, it has sent another response. So it was the other HTTP, and these are all the packets data, or the codes which contains the data. We'll have to encode it if you decode it if you want to know what's in the packet. So HTTP is also coming. So this is all about this video. We had to show the working of Wireshark and how it works. So if you want to know about more packets, you can just type over here. This is the area where you have to type whatever you want to see, what type of packets you want to see. Like if you press A, starting with A, all these commands are possible. These are all type of packets, or the protocols of the packets. If we type B, all this, then C, all those, D. So as you can see, there are various names of the packet starting with each letter, and we have just seen for three types of packets, which was DNS, TCP and HTTP. So if you want to find more about those packets, you can just press A, B, C, D and till Z, and you can find about those packets as you wish. You can find what kind of information they give and what are the requests. This is GET, so this was the request, and this is X, so this was the response. So this was about HTTP. Same way DNS, TCP and other commands which are available here. If you press a wrong command, this bar will be red, but if you are going correct, then this bar will be green. So that's all for this video. Thank you.